To change a SIM card on the Google Pixel 9 Pro or 9 Pro XL, we need a SIM ejector tool to open the SIM card tray here. The tool is found inside the box. In this leaflet, you will have that SIM ejector tool. So on the bottom of the phone, we see that SIM card tray, and so we will insert the thin end of the SIM ejector tool into that SIM card tray, and then we're going to push down, keep on pushing until you hear a click and the SIM card tray partially ejects from the phone. We'll then use our nail to take the SIM card out. Now the issue you may notice is it doesn't just come out very easily. So what you do is you use the thin end of the SIM ejector tool and you poke it in these holes. So flip the SIM card tray over, poke it in the hole, and that'll push out the SIM card. And then to put a new SIM card back in, we match the ridge of the SIM card with the ridge in the tray. And it should click into place. Flip your SIM card tray the other way if that doesn't seem to work. And then match the hole of the phone with the hole of the SIM card tray. And then the SIM card should just push in, rub it with your finger, and now the SIM card has been changed.